I'm Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine, and as you can see in front of me, we have the 2016 Honda CRF450R, and we get our first chance to ride it. The only major updates to the 2016 CRF450R is in the suspension department. The front end of the bike still has the KYB air forks with high and low speed compression and rebound adjustability, but this year's fork has been lengthened 5 millimeters to increase stability. In the rear, the KYB shock gets a new spring rate, new link, and revised settings. The chain rollers have also been reduced from 38 millimeters to 34 millimeters in diameter. The Unicam engine, styling, chassis, seat, airbox, subframe, and brakes are the same as last year's model. Even though there are minimal changes to the 2016 model, there are still features that you will only find on the CRF450R, like its engine mode select button, the Honda steering dampener, and the dual diamond-shaped exhausts. For the complete test on the 2016 Honda CRF450R, check out the October issue of Dirtbike Magazine, and don't forget to download the free Dirtbike Magazine app for your mobile device.